Welcome back, everybody.
Yep, we finally got the snack box.
I know, it feels like it's been forever, hasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Well, the Christmas box came earlier last time, so we're used to having it be later in the month, and because it decided to come early for, I guess because they figured people were going to be gone or whatever for the holidays. So now we're back to our regular time, and we got our box. You excited?
Yeah.
All right. Where do you think it's from? Here, let's take a look. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. It is from the Netherlands. Do you know where the Netherlands are?
No.
No? So here, we'll look at our fancy globe here. So if you look right next to Germany and Belgium, it's right there. Okay? That's in Europe. So for everybody else, it's right over here. All right. So it looks like there's all kinds of cool stuff coming up here. So we're going to go ahead and go through and see.
And before we go through the snack box, if you guys play Fortnite, I don't know if you guys know the new update, but there's a new skin which is called Predator, and now I have it.
All right. All right, you're doing some chores around the house and you got some V-Bucks, didn't you? All right, you ready to get started?
Yeah.
All right. So we're going to go in the order that they're telling. This is another cool thing about this Universal Young's box, if you guys haven't gotten it yet.
Well, I was helping.
Yeah. Hey, before we go, make sure you're liking and subscribing.
Yeah.
All right, we've gotten up to 25 followers so far. So we're doing,
Yeah.
or subscribers, I'm sorry, so far. So he's doing good. He's getting really excited and meeting people at House of Boom and having them look at his videos. And he's a little entrepreneur over here. So make sure you like and subscribe so you can have more people.
And thank you guys for subscribing to okay.
To your channel?
Yeah, and so far to 25.
Yep, 25. All right, so let's get going here. So the first thing they're going to want us to start with, they are called caramel stroop waffles. That's not them. Let's see if we can find them.
Gummies?
Oh. Yeah, we just now opened the box, so I'm still trying to figure out where everything is.
Yeah.
All right, caramel stroop waffles. These actually look pretty good. Feel the weight on that. It's kind of heavy, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that's going to be kind of interesting.
But you guys can just laugh at me, but Maverick's teething and I'm teething.
So funny story. Jackson had pain in his mouth, and it was like 2 days worth. So we took him to the dentist for the first time, right?
Yeah.
And what'd they do with the dentist?
They checked it, and then they said to you I was teething.
Yeah. So we thought there was something wrong with him, but thank goodness he just has some teeth coming in, and it was hurting him more than usual. So, but we're all good now. You got your first cleaning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I have to floss every day, but not the dance.
Yeah.
And I have to brush my teeth every morning and night.
Oh, so these are kind of cool.
Oh.
Making a mess, but here's your piece. These look kind of funky. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, those are good. Those are really good.
Get some of these. They're on delivery.
Yeah. So they're like mini waffles with caramel filling in the inside of them.
Yeah.
Man, those are tasty. All right, we'll save that for later.
We love sugar, so.
Man, that's really good.
Yeah.
That was a good start. All right. So then next, let's see here.
No.
Let's see where it wants us to do next here. All right, so next we're going to be doing the sour cream and onion potato chips.
When?
Now, I'll be honest with you, I'm not a big sour cream potato chip fan, so I'm probably not going to like these too much. Jackson, you like them, though. You do the cheddar and sour cream all the time. So they're bio-organic sour cream and onion thick cut chips. Kinley's already eyeing those.
Yeah.
There's one. Are you
Wish
ready?
me good luck.
I know you were like,
No, I can't get into the sour cream. Good look. Not that bad.
Gotta put this.
Here. You're not gonna eat the whole. You're not even gonna eat the chip. All right.
I ate a little bit.
So the next we are going to do
Sugar.
Dutch candy cars.
Oh, I thought that was gummies.
It looks like it though.
Yeah.
So the original gummy Cadillacs. Well, if it's a Cadillac of gummies, then that's got to be good, right?
I never tasted it, but sure.
All right. Here's your Cadillac.
I'll show you guys.
It's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
All right. That's a hard gummy.
Yeah.
It's got a good flavor though.
Mm-hmm.
Stuck to my teeth. So it is saying gummy candy, so I guess that kind of makes sense. Why it's not like just straight up like a chewy. Oh, I already know these are gonna be my favorite.
Your favorite? Oh, yep.
They're going to be in here. Yes, they are. So the cool thing about these things, they give you little candy bags that has different candies as well. So we are going to be doing sour watermelon candies. There you are. You all right? You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Sure?
Yeah.
Positive?
Yes.
You all right?
Yeah.
Okay. You got water right. You want me to open it for you? There you are. All right, so let's go ahead and get these going here. Here, I had a hard time opening it, so here's the one open.
Oh, thanks. I'll show you guys it. It's just like that.
Man. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought they were going to be a lot more sour.
Sour enough. Sour enough.
Go ahead and take a bite into it. Yeah, those are getting nice and sour. I love sour candy.
I love and hate sour candy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Trying to get this thing finished up. The candies are very chewy.
Yeah.
No, you gotta chew it on for a while. It's almost like gum.
Yeah.
All right. So the next one here. These are original cheese biscuits.
You.
So, aged Gouda cheese Crispies. You know what? These things are probably pretty Gouda. Do you get it? Gouda's a cheese. Dad jokes. There you are. You ready? So it tastes like unleavened bread. It really just tastes like cheese flavored unleavened bread. If I pronounce that right. Those are good.
Okay, I'm not gonna finish this.
No?
Nope.
Can't handle that?
Nope.
Alright.
Are you sure? Yes. Are you positive? Yes. Are you sure 100%? Yes.
That's fine. Alright.
That's what we've been doing.
So next one is soft licorice fruit gummies. Got a lot of gummies in this box, don't we?
Yeah. I'm happy.
So drop fruit duos.
Wait,
Licorice.
duos?
Licorice and fruit. Oh, you're going to like these. You know why?
What?
Because it's black licorice. This is the weirdest kid because he actually enjoys black licorice, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I ate a whole entire pack one day.
You do. I don't get it. I can't do the black licorice. It's not my thing. All right.
Give me the black.
There you are. Oh.
Oh my gosh, that's
So
so
here's
good.
a mix of fruit gummies, with licorice.
Okay, so you see the black? It's good.
Oh, there it is. Oh. So I didn't taste the black licorice at first. It was basically just the other one.
If you didn't believe me, I showed you.
Those are pretty good. I'll give it to you. The good thing is, well, we'll have them later. We got more stuff to do. But the black licorice doesn't really come into the end, so it's kind of almost like you get the fruitiness first, and then the black licorice hits you afterwards, which is weird. But you still like those, don't you? Oh.
How did you not like those?
I mean, they weren't bad.
Those were enjoying.
They weren't good either.
They're enjoying.
Hold on. I don't know if that's the ones we're supposed to do yet. I think that's it. So these are sour violet candies. So apparently it is flavored of the flower, the violet flower. Is that really it?
I guess.
It says time to stop and smell the flowers. No better place than the Keukenhof Garden in the Dutch town of Lizzie, formerly known as the Garden of Europe. So tulips, daffodils, and violets, but all Dutch flowers are for sniffing. Some, like these unique violet-flavored candies, are for savoring. For a full 6 minutes, according to the candy innovators who made it. So I doubt we're going to be able to keep this in here in our mouths for 6 minutes and do the time, because I don't think anybody wants us to sit here and eat one of these things for 6 minutes, but we're going to go ahead and give it a shot, okay?
Okay.
You ready? You help?
Yeah. Yes, please. I mean, always say your manners.
Yeah, good job. You do really good on your manners. I'm proud of you for that.
You get it? Mama and Papa's.
All right. You ready?
3, 2, 1.
That definitely tastes like a flower.
Yeah.
You okay? Are you watering? What's wrong? It tastes like potpourri.
I cannot handle that. I'm putting that back.
Yeah.
How could you even do that? You're still putting it. You are still having it in your mouth.
I mean, it's not bad.
It is bad.
No. I didn't mind it. I'd like Henley to try one. Tastes like potpourri.
You're gross.
Mm.
The dads are always. Well, this dad is already gross. This dad is the grossest man.
No, I'm not. All right, next we got chocolate covered cruidnut cookies.
That's hard.
I have no idea how to pronounce that. All right, I don't know if you all can see that, but that's what it is. All right, so let's see what these are. So here, it gives you a better explanation. Mini spiced cookies with chocolate coating. Spiced cookies. That scares me a little bit. I'm not going to lie to you. There you are. All right.
What?
It's an acquired taste. So, gingerbread.
That's not bigger.
Yeah. Chocolate covered gingerbread cookies. All right. Would you like those?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I love those.
Is the sugar kicking in?
No,
Oh, wait. You're crawling on the table over here.
I don't know.
No, no. All
I'm in
right.
French.
Next up. Craziest spice cookies ever. Oh. So hopefully these are good because this is a big old box of them. So Dutch Speculous cookies.
But no, got more. Got
Let
nine.
you all see what those things look like.
No. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Okay. Oh. All right. Oh, wow. Okay. So, does this happen?
You didn't give him pancakes.
Yeah, I did. All right. So did you already bite it?
Yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah.
They're not incredibly sweet. They're like a what I would picture just like a regular like a biscuit would be in Europe.
Breakfast biscuit with coffee.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Little hint of gingerbread, but not like overpoweringly like the chocolate covered one was.
Yeah. I can't.
You can't do that one?
No. I was just dropping a big bite.
There you go. Where'd my co-host go? Come on.
I want one.
All right, hold on 1 second. Come on.
I just wanted another one of these because they're so good.
All right.
Mark on your head from hitting that log.
Wow. So apparently this Dutch box is pretty much all candies and sugars. There's one bag of chips.
Yeah.
And there was the cheese crackers. All right, so this right here, it is what is this? It's a hazelnut cream milk chocolate bar. I don't know what that means, but that's what it is. All right, here's theirs. All right.
It's good.
That's some really good chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
And if you guys been wondering, why we haven't done the MRE yet. It is way too expensive, and we don't have the money.
No, it's they're selling them by the case, and we're having a hard time finding them by themselves.
Mm-hmm.
But we'll get one eventually.
Mm-hmm.
All right, next we have this one's gonna be all yours, Jackson. Dutch licorice bites. So an entire bag of black licorice.
Give me the whole bag.
Now.
Give me the Please can I have the whole bag?
So they're like little houses. Now, I'll be honest, it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. It still has that black licorice taste to it. Oh, never mind, the aftertaste is coming. Do you like those?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So this is going to be interesting. This is the last thing in the box. This is cheddar and raspberry cheese Crispies.
Ew.
That is a very weird combination. I've never seen anything with cheese and fruit mixed.
Kind of like a cheesecake.
Well, yeah, cheesecake and different flavored cream cheeses. So, I mean, yeah, I guess. As far as like crackers, though.
Wait, Daddy.
The last thing in the box, buddy. All right.
We're just doing this for you guys.
All right. Are you ready? I don't taste any fruit.
No.
You taste any fruit?
Yeah.
All right. Sit down. Sit down.
So down? Okay.
All right. So let's see here. We'll move the globe. So we had these crackers.
We didn't have them.
All right. We had these potato chips.
Wait, okay.
We got the black licorice. I don't know if you can see that.
And we got the nether black.
You got the chocolate covered, whatever it's called.
My favorite.
Why can't I think of it?
Gamen?
Huh?
Gamen?
It was the chocolate covered gingerbread cookies.
Mm.
And then we had the Cadillac gummies. And then we had the drop fruit duo. So there was the black licorice.
By duos.
And then there was the regular
Fortnite.
all in one.
Hey, by duos, Fortnite.
We had this amazing hazelnut chocolate bar. We had these really crackers that were really Gouda.
Wait,
And then, these are probably my favorite right here. And then the Stroop waffles. There was waffles with caramel inside of them.
and I really want one.
And then we had the violet candy. And we had the sour watermelon candies.
I kind of want one.
And last but not least, we had these tea biscuits.
Okay, so I'll tell you guys all my favorites.
What was your favorites?
So, this one's my very first one.
What's your favorite? Most favorite?
Yeah.
Okay.
And my second favorite is the milk chocolate thing.
That's some really good chocolate.
Yeah. And my third is this gummy. And my fourth is this one. And my fifth is this one.
Really, you put that? You liked this
Wait,
candy
no.
more than you like this waffle?
Wait, actually, no. No, I forgot. Wait, which number was I on?
5th.
Oh, okay. This was actually my 5th. And this one is my 6th.
Whoa!
Okay, let's go to a horrible table.
All right, so I'll have to say my favorite was this one right here, the caramel waffle.
And by the way, this is my 6th favorite.
And then my second favorite was this hazelnut chocolate. That was really good.
Yeah, that's my favorite one.
And then I'm probably going to say these cars were next. My least favorite, the thing I did not like the most, is these, because I cannot do black licorice. I can't do it. I can't do it.
Bro.
And then these crackers were pretty gross.
You didn't like
Yeah.
the chips, or?
Yeah, but we already knew I wasn't going to like the chips. I've never been a chip eater. I don't really eat chips, so it's not really my style. All right, you got anything to say before we leave?
Subscribe again.
Yeah. And if you go to Defy Louisville, we've got a year pass now, so we go there a lot. Jackson likes to go talk to all the kids and show them his YouTube videos. So we'll maybe see you around.
Yeah. And subscribe always.
All right. Bye. We'll see y'all next time.
Bye!